Bright, cozy barbershop with big mirrors and warm lighting. A stunning young woman, 25 years old, long silky hair flowing past her waist, walks in. She smiles nervously at her reflection. Barber asked.
What can we do for you today?
She replied.
Just asterisk long layered cut asterisk, please. Keep most of the length.
The barber picks up the clippers instead of scissors. With a loud buzz, he asterisk shaves a wide strip asterisk right across the back of her head. Her eyes widen in horror as she feels the cool air on her scalp. Close up on the first large chunk of hair falling to the floor. The woman freezes, touching the bare patch at the back of her head.
It's all gone.
I'm so sorry, I thought.
Accepting the mistake, she sits still, allowing the barber to finish shaving the rest of her head. Hair falls around her. Tears shimmer in her eyes, but she smiles bravely. She looks at herself in the mirror, head fully shaved, face glowing with unexpected strength. A small tear falls, but she wipes it and smile. Beautiful, powerful, reborn. For more haircut stories, subscribe this channel. Thank you.